In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a fly-through text effect in DaVinci Resolve. This eye-catching effect can add a dynamic flair to your projects, and I'll break down each step to make the process smooth and straightforward. So let's dive in and transform your text into a captivating visual journey. First, let's start by adding a Text Plus element to your timeline. Text Plus is a powerful tool in DaVinci Resolve that offers more control over text animation, making it perfect for creating our fly-through effect. Once you've got your Text Plus on the timeline, we'll need to adjust its size. Initially, you want the text to appear very small, as if it's far away in the distance. This setting will set the stage for the dramatic zoom effect we're aiming for. With your text now tiny on the screen, it's time to add a size keyframe at the start of your clip. Keyframes are essential in animation as they tell the software where and when changes in motion or size occur. So place that first keyframe right at the beginning of your timeline. This will anchor the initial small size of your text. Now, move forward on your timeline by about 10 to 20 frames. This space will determine the speed of your zoom effect, so choose the duration based on how fast or slow you want the text to fly towards the camera. Once you've advanced those frames, increase the text size until it fills the screen. This change gives the illusion of the text flying directly towards the viewer, creating that striking fly-through effect. To ensure a smooth transition, head over to the keyframe editor. Here, you'll want to add an ease in out to your keyframes. This adjustment is crucial because it softens the motion, making the start and stop of your text movement less abrupt. The ease in will create a gentle acceleration as the text starts flying, while the ease out will decelerate it as it approaches the screen, offering a polished and professional look. For those who want to add an extra touch of dynamism, there's an optional step you can take. You can animate the position of your text slightly, giving it a directional fly-through effect. This means the text doesn't just zoom straight in, but can also move along a path, adding more depth and interest to the motion. To do this, simply adjust the position keyframes in conjunction with your size adjustments, letting the text slide in from an angle or curve gently towards the center. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a fly-through text effect in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is a fantastic way to add energy and focus to your videos, drawing the viewer's attention right where you want it. Remember, the key to mastering this effect is in the subtlety of your keyframes and the creativity of your animations. So feel free to experiment with different sizes, speeds, and directions to find what works best for your project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of DaVinci Resolve. See you next time.